Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Doobie Doo, and today we are going to be baking some banana bread for my girlfriend. I don't like bananas. I absolutely despise them. I don't know what they are. Fruit, vegetable, berry. They're disgusting creatures. They should have seeds. They no longer have seeds. GMO freaks. I don't eat them. I stay away from the weird things, but she wanted a dessert, so I decided to make her a banana bread. Bananas are one of her favorites. So today we bake a banana bread. I used the tasty recipe. It turned out absolutely wonderfully. So if you're looking for a recipe for banana bread, I can highly recommend this one. The chocolate chips worked absolutely perfect too. Stay tuned to see the rest of it. Please like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, guys. Every single person helps. And if you want to recommend me to make anything else, please leave it down in the comments below. Take it easy and enjoy. Let's get into the bananas. These are a little bit less than optimal bananas. I would say you want to get the really dark brown ones, probably. Really mushy ones. I have one that's mushy. That's about it. The other two are a little bit riper. As you can see, as I struggle very hard to mush that banana, you want to get these as smooth as you possibly can while mushing them here. We'll skip out the 25 minutes it took me to get these to that point. Then you're going to bring in your 1/3 cup melted butter. You want to fully incorporate this together with your very smooth, mushed up bananas. Then we're going to go ahead and grab our 1/2 cup of sugar once we're finally done incorporating that. And we're going to get that in there, along with all the other ingredients at once. We don't have to stir ahead of time. 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Really poor camera angle, but that's okay. What can you do? Went in the bowl. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Of course, I use the 1/2 teaspoon measure. I like to make life as hard as I can for myself. We'll get the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract in there as well. A little bit extra vanilla never hurt anybody. You know, I love the vanilla. So we'll get 1 teaspoon of that in as well. 1 teaspoon of that. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. This is just a pinch of salt. I never know quite how much a pinch is. That looked like a pinch to me. We'll recheck it one more time. Yeah, it's a pinch. Throw it in. Good enough. However much went in, that's how much a pinch is. Here we have our egg. 1 egg. We're going to fully beat this egg before incorporating it with the rest of the batter. And then we're just going to stir it all together. Probably not the best to use a fork, so we did eventually switch to a whisk, as a fork is not the best implement to stir a batter together, but, you know, learn the hard way. We'll grease the pan. Yes, we're going to grease the pan before we line it with parchment, with the little wings on the edge, right? So we're doing a loaf. The wings make you something important in the future. We'll get 1/2 of our chocolate chips in right now, incorporated well into the batter. We're going to save the other 1/4 cup for the top of our loaf. You want to have a pretty loaf. You can't have something hideous. Everybody is looking at your loaf presentation here. So now that you've got your wings in the pan, we're going to fully just dump every last drop of batter in there. Probably this is where a spatula would come in handy, but I'm a stubborn man, and instead I used a cereal spoon. We're going to take the last 1/4 cup of chocolate chips and fully cover the top. We're going to fully just blend the top with all the chocolate chips. These are going to come out really pretty in the future. Go ahead and preheat your oven. 350 degrees is what you want to set it at. There we go. There's our beautiful banana bread. Ooh, still in the pan. I'm going to depan it, put it on the plate so it doesn't get dry. Oh, look at that. Look at that, how good that works. See, look at that's just like a little holder for the bread. Oh, so pretty. And then can we even, might be a little bit, oh, nope, we're good. Boom, right off of the parchment and everything. Look at that. There we go. There we go. That's a finished banana bread. The chocolate chips didn't even melt on the top. They look so pretty. We'll slice it in a sec. We'll let it cool before we slice it, or it'll just crumble into little tiny bits. So, and there is our finished chocolate banana bread. So let's get the first slice in there. How thick do we want to go? Ooh. 1/2 inch. What are we working with here? About like that. I'm a little bit working around the gimbal, so I'm a little awkward, but should be fine. Oh, look at that. The thump down. Let's cut one more here. It's fully cooled now, so. Look at that. Look at that. We did get some chocolate as I was holding it, but look at that. With the chocolate incorporated all throughout it, too. Ooh, that cross section looked good. good. And that is homemade banana bread. I don't really like bananas, but there you go. There you go. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button for more. I am doing recipes all the time. And if you have anything you'd like to see me make, leave it in the comments down below, and I'll do my best to do it. Thank you so much, guys.